Interdisciplinary research to me is combining people's superpowers together, coming from different backgrounds, engineering or humanities. It can be cross-disciplinary as well, like being able to go into fields and out of the fields and co-creating together. The project is called Animate Matter. It was a collaboration with the Royal College of Arts, and I was able to host 2 master's students from Soft Systems program, and they spent a few weeks in Manchester in our lab, so we put them in the deep diving end of the material science. They were inspired by our processes. We create structural colors through self-assembly, and they learned from us and we were inspired by them, and we co-created this art installation piece by using the high-end material fabrication facilities. And that was a 3-dimensional piece using the light and matter as well. And we were lucky enough to exhibit that in 2 art exhibitions in London last year. This project is an interdisciplinary research in itself, because we put together 2 fields that would not normally come together in any stream of funding, any stream of work. I'm very used to working in interdisciplinary sense, which is like I'm a material scientist, and I work with chemists, engineers, physicists on a daily basis. But this particular project allowed me to host 2 artists in my labs and teach them and learning a new language with them as well. Being part of the Creative Manchester platform was a big opportunity for us, because this kind of engineering meets humanities and art kind of collaborations are not usually funded through the mainstream funding councils. So that this opportunity allowed us to have space, have time, and have resources, dedicated resources for doing and establishing this and achieving what we set out to do. So Creative Manchester to believe in us, believing in the idea, was a big thing for us at the time. And also I was able to meet the rest of the Creative Manchester network as well, which was a good opportunity for me to deep dive in this and a little bit more further as well. This was a very interesting experience for us, because in the interdisciplinary world, we work with the chemists and physicists and engineers, but we had to learn a very different language working with artists, and they had to learn about safety, for example. So it was a different way of collaborating, because we had to teach each other skills that we didn't think that we thought that it was a second nature to us, and the same for them as well. So it pushed us to really understand their world, understand their creative processes as well. So that was really, I find it very rewarding, and making things come together bit by bit was very rewarding experience as well. And I got to display in an art exhibition, which I thought I would never be able to do, and the feedback we received was really great as well. And we are actually building on that. We are trying to do more of this in my labs here as well.